In the dynamic realm of topographical mapping, drone pilots emerge as indispensable navigators, orchestrating the flight of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, to capture intricate details of terrain. With precision and expertise, they meticulously plan flight paths, ensuring comprehensive coverage while adhering to safety regulations. Guiding UAVs through the skies, they skillfully collect high-resolution aerial imagery, harnessing advanced sensors to unveil the nuances of landscapes. Collaborating seamlessly with surveyors and GIS professionals, drone pilots facilitate the acquisition of vital data, paving the way for detailed 3D models and accurate maps. Their diligent efforts contribute to diverse applications, from urban planning to environmental monitoring, heralding a new era of informed decision-making and sustainable development through the lens of aerial exploration. There are plenty of job opportunities in this sector for drone pilots. Enroll today to grab them before they are gone. If you liked the video, hit like, share this video, and subscribe to EduRade for more eye-opening content.